Look at that. Little late night party. Yeah. Mommy? Yeah. Late night party action? Wow, look at you, mister. How are you doing tonight? You look big on the camera, huh? Yeah. I know, there's mosquitoes everywhere. It is also very hot, but I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt. Right? Yeah. You're so cute. Little girl staring at me. Well, you look away because of the bright light, huh? Yeah. A little nibbler. That's her brother right there. Yeah. You like to lick and bite on fingers? Whoa, are you gonna be a ferocious one? Oh, you want some too? Yeah, this is the other boy right here. Little boy. Yeah, you can come on up. Sure. Look at that. It's like called a reverse Oreo. Right, everybody? Look at this guy. Wow. Yeah. Are your eyes starting to change colors? Yeah. You're losing your blue. These two won't. These two will stay blue forever. Right? Yeah. Oh, you want my other finger? Yeah, see those blues? Whoa, don't fall down. Tricky. Here comes Mommy. Yeah, that's your mommy. Mommy's a good girl. Yeah, everybody loves Mommy. Right? Yeah, everybody loves Mommy. Yeah. His blues will be gone tomorrow. Yeah. He just wore clean pants and clean shirt. Now they're gonna be full of cat hair and kitty toes. Yeah. Look at Mommy sitting down on the job. Yeah. She's still on guard duty, 24/7. Staring out there. Where's your brother? Your sisters? Yeah. Well, thank you. You licking the hair off? Such a good kitty. Wow. You got your claws right on his eyeball. Late night fun. It's okay. It's okay. You're so pretty. Yeah, you are a pretty boy. Lots of little white hairs everywhere. Look at those ears. Yeah. Whoop. I felt you sliding off. We have a full boat. Yeah. He says, I'm time to get down. The little girl's been busy licking herself clean. Oh, you want a bite? That's your mommy you're up against, yeah. Oh boy. Mommy girl. You got sharp fangs. Feisty little boy. The girl says, I'm feisty too. So does the boy. Yeah. So does mommy. A very hot night. Everybody loves the bush, right, Mommy? Yeah. Good girl. Everybody loves Mommy, too. Yeah. Everybody loves Blackie. I love Blackie. Daddy loves her. Yeah. Somebody loves my boot. The boot's always a big hit, right? Yeah. Just like dominoes. One falls, they all fall. Just because of his love for a boot. Down he goes. What's your brother and brother doing, huh? Yeah, that's your brother and brother. That's one way to hit him. Big leap right on your brother, huh? Yeah. The girl's on my lap watching them. Good mommy. Good girl. You coming up? Yeah. What's he doing? He sees a piece of tarp. Yeah, we're watching you, little dude. We're watching you. Your sister's right here watching. Yeah. Mommy is right next to us. Right here. What you looking at, Mommy? You got Mommy's stick. A two-sided stick. We can get you way over there. Everybody loves Mommy's stick. Yeah. Oh, we found a leaf. We picked it right up, too. You good grabber? Oh, what a good little grabber. Yeah. Wow, you got a trophy? Somebody else has a trophy. The other boy has a bite of my shirt. Yeah, this guy. All right, we're gonna get going, everybody. Yeah, good lick there. They could sit on my lap for the rest of the night. But we have to go because we have to go watch other people's kitties and waves and gardens and geysers, mountains and doggies, horses. So much to watch, Mommy. Yeah. We'll be right out here watching with Blackie. Yep. All right, everybody. Whoa, look at that guy. Wowie. Everybody loves Blackie. Even this little boy. Right? Big terrorizer. Everybody loves Blackie, girl. Blackie's such a good mommy. If you need proof, right here. Okay. See you later.